In this video, I recommend strategies for handling user-reported false negatives. First, let's define a false negative. This is an email, file, or URL that our detections allowed, but you believe is malicious. There's a lot of reasons for false negatives that don't imply threat protection broke down. For example, an attacker might bait the system with a good email and then redirect the URL after it lands into inboxes. Submit those false negatives to us. We'll analyze them, make determinations, and correct the detections as appropriate. Regardless of your Microsoft Defender for Office 365 license, all subscribers get the basic capability for users to submit false negatives. Select a user-reported message to see its details, like who reported it and why. Then, we recommend that you submit the message to us for analysis. For false negatives, you can report it as phishing, malware, or spam. Report false positives as clean. In this case, it's a phishing email, so I'll report it to Microsoft as phishing. That message now appears on the Submitted for Analysis tab. After a time, you see that our analysis is complete, and you can select the message to see details about the results. Defender for Office 365 and Microsoft 365 E5 or better subscribers get some additional information and capabilities. But if you don't have a big queue of user submissions, we still recommend that you start on the submissions page like before. You'll notice that the submission details contain extra information, and you can view additional details, like detection technologies, message IDs, and any URLs in the message. Select one of those URLs to continue hunting in Explorer by showing other emails containing it. In this case, there are more messages containing the URL, and it's clearly malicious. So, I can soft delete the messages after reporting them to Microsoft for analysis. Customers with a lot of user submissions might want to handle them a bit differently. Starting in the alerts queue. Filter the alerts queue to quickly find email reported by users as malware or phish. Then, you can investigate each on its alert page. The page shows what was submitted and who submitted it. While you could open the investigation page, more than likely, you'll move on to the incident page to continue your investigation by seeing who else submitted the message. Then, go look at the evidence. And open the message details pane to approve the soft delete emails action. Defender for Office 365 offers strategies for handling user-reported false negatives that fit any organization. For more information, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.